Hey YouTube, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is Wumi Ogumaki, where we talk about ways to make money every day, every week, every month, especially if you are a single parent, most especially if you're a single mom. So, today's topic, the unique ways to make money off of Pinterest. Pinterest is like a silent source of leads that I think a lot of people, especially business owners, are sleeping on. They're not really taking advantage of the leads, endless leads that they can get. Okay, I'm going to give you two things. One, if you're on Pinterest or you're not, go ahead and create a Pinterest account and start creating your boards. And it's because Pinterest is basically people sharing pictures of stuff that they love and they're passionate about. So if you are, for instance, in the health and wellness niche, you're going to look for niches or for accounts that have what you're looking for, health and wellness, and you start following a lot of these other accounts. Okay, tip, follow at least, if you could do 100, if you can follow 100 in a day, and if not, a week, and then you wait a moment, a couple of days later, go back and check who's following you, because now we want to get eyeballs on the pictures that you've put on Pinterest. Now, mind you, you're not just posting just to post. When you post your pictures or videos on Pinterest, make sure you attach a link either to your blog, your website, your opportunity, your offer, your tripwire, whatever the case may be. Okay? You can literally earn about $1,000 per person if, for instance, you want to do this as a marketing business to help business owners who don't have the time to post or navigate Pinterest. You can charge them a fee to do it for them. Okay, you can charge them a fee. So, not trying to take up too much of your time, but that's my video for today. And you know what? If you want to know one of my number one recommended sources of making money online, click the link in the description below, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.